Morning everybody, how you all doing? Right, just want to explain something now. I'm at the petrol station just outside of Carlisle and I'm just going to fill up. Me and Paul are going to do a trip into Scotland on the Western Isles. We're going up to an island called Great Cumbrae or Cumbria, then stopping the night there while camping, then going up, crossing over on a ferry to another I think it's an island, heading to Tarbert, might go down to what do you call it, what's that song called again, Mullicantyre, might go down there. Then after that I don't know where we're going because Paul's picked the route, so he'll explain that when we get to Lockerbie. So that's it for now. So we'll catch you later up the road at Lockerbie. Bye for now. There's Paul farting about, look. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Rano.
Look at,
I'm jiggered just setting
look
this
at
all
this.
up.
This looks really posh. What's that, a bin liner?
Yeah.
It is a bin liner.
Hides my sleeping bag. They can nick anything else, but as long as I have my sleeping bag.
Right, we're going to head up to Lockerbie now, and
This is posh.
yeah,
Sailing attire.
sailing. We're not going sailing.
Keep you cool.
I asked him to bring his fishing rod, but he wouldn't.
No. Yeah.
You could have stuck.
That'll do as a fishing rod. I'll extend the.
No, you could have stuck it up there and had it out the back like that.
See, the plan is we're going to extend the selfie stick. So I'll get maybe 1 meter, 1.5 meter, 2 meter, and then I'll go woof. We'll catch big fish. Big fish here.
There's my bike, fully packed. Crocs. Anyway, we'll see you maybe up at Lockerbie or somewhere. What's Paul doing? Wonder what Paul's doing. What are you doing, Paul? He's got his selfie stick in the wrong place.
Yeah, I wasn't happy with it.
So he's had to he has to do some unscrewing. Look, he had to take that screw out.
So there's all these minor adjustments.
This is why it takes us all day to get somewhere. Never
I
mind.
don't know if it wasn't there.
It looks better there. Anyway, I don't want to make these videos too long, so
No,
we'll catch you later.
I have to save.
We'll be ready in about an hour. Just now, I think, yeah. Right, we're just heading into Dumfries. Paul needs petrol, so I'm going to top up with some petrol as well. I'm actually going to record all the petrol usage on the trip. Just oh god, potholes, bloody hell. So I can add it up to see how much the whole trip's cost, because I added up the mileage roughly and it's about 600. Could be a little bit more round trip. God, these roads! There's potholes everywhere. It's rough. So we're going to Morrison's to get some fuel. It's 12:24 and it's going to be like 7 o'clock tonight time we get there, the way we're going at the moment. We're a bit late in starting. couldn't tell you whose fault that is. I wonder who was late.
Morrison's just down here.
Alright, so turn down there. At least this petrol station, what shit full, friggin' hell, man. Paul just rides in front of a friggin' car. Bloody idiot. Kept saying to him, be careful, where's E5 fuel? Where's E95? Oh, there. There's a car, get out of the way. Are you going or what? E5. That's what I want. Hey. You're a bit dangerous, aren't you? Hey? You're a bit dangerous. Bloody hell. What's he like? Kath will be horrified.
This is what I need in my jacket.
Air vents.
What's the jacket? Is it actually...
There's air vents there, air vents there.
That's what I need.
Yeah. Paul needs some vents. We've just stopped off at this lay-by for a minute. I had a chicken and mushroom pie. Oh, bloody lens cover's on. Huh, be able to see now. Left my lens cover on. Twat. What an idiot. This video won't get monetized, all the swear words. So I thought I'd film this bit. We're about 10 miles out of Dumfries North. What road number's this?
A76.
A76. I'm gonna go 30 miles up the road and stop and find a supermarket because Paul has left his din-dins at home. So we need to go and get a sandwich or pie or something. Ooh, it's getting warm. Are you ready yet? Yeah, I thought I'd put the camera on because the countryside's getting better. It was a bit boring further back. It's quite nice now. Still having problems with my Google payment. Still can't get the money that I'm not happy about. So I don't want anybody to use super thanks, stuff like that. It's nice down here. Nice bit part of the country. Roadworks. Surprise, surprise. Ooh. Stop in the shade. That's that bike we just passed. Oh, he passed us. Oh, I've got an itchy ear and I can't scratch it. Oh, how annoying. Wow, the scenery up here is really lovely. Look at the hills. Beautiful. Oh, I'm glad I turned the camera on because this is really nice through here. Miles an hour. Do you want to go to the spa? Yeah? Watch it. There's a car coming up behind you. Watch it. There's a car behind you. Pull in there. Paul parks halfway up the road. I park right outside the door because I'm sensible, and now I can scratch my ear. It's driving me crazy. I'm gonna go and get some sandwiches, so I'm gonna turn you off and I'll catch you in a bit. Well, after many miles we've arrived. Well, not at the island, but you can see what's in front of us. The sea. We've missed out a lot because it was just boring road. So look at this. Wow. Friggin' wow. Look at the view over there. Wow. And this is not the best of it. The best's to come because we're heading over that way to the left, where those mountains are over there. This is just the beginning. All I want to do now, well look, the tide's out. All I want to do now is get the bike unpacked, stick the tent up, get some beer and relax. We'll get some beer on the island, I think. It won't cost that much more, it will probably be the same price as it is over here on the mainland. So I don't know how far up the coast it is. I don't think it's that far. Paul knows where he's going. Wow, look at the view over there. Absolutely stunning. That's where we'll be tomorrow. I'm gonna have to find a petrol station shortly. I have got emergency petrol on the bike. I bought one of those emergency fuel bottles. They're red, especially for petrol. I might get petrol in the morning. The last time I put petrol in was at Dumfries Orphans. Ooh, nice cool breeze. Come on, Paul, speed up a bit. God, there is some quite big potholes. You have to be really careful. Oh, my bum needs a rest. He's not listening. Yes, he is. I need petrol. I'm going to fill up now. Might as well. At least I know Esso Garage has got E5 fuel. Ugh. He's down there waiting for me. Don't know what happened there. The camera was on pulse shot. Paul was showing me a yacht and marina before we go to this island. Over a bridge. Oh yeah. It's rather nice here, isn't it? They have big speed bumps. Let's see if I can sort of go around it. That's better. Where is he gone? Down here. So if you want a boat, there's lots here. If anybody wants to buy me a boat, there's lots here. If you buy me a boat, I'll mention you on my YouTube channel. The wind's getting up a little bit. What are we doing here then? Is that what we come for? To look at the boats? I bet she owns a yacht. That woman down there. Whew. There's some money's worth there. Blimey. Whew. Some money's worth there. Some money's worth there.
I like the name Hassel.
What did you leave on your bike? What are these? You left the keys on the bike. Naughty, naughty, naughty.
My security here.
Yeah, me. I'm security.
There's
I'm the
camera.
security guard.
No, you're not loads of cameras watching you.
Doesn't stop somebody riding off with your bike though. Time the police come,
You see who's done
they'll be in Hawaii. Right, I'm back. Had a camera issue. As soon as I went into the yachting marina, my camera went funny. So I've just managed to get it back on again. It's working now. So we're nearly at the ferry terminal. Paul wanted to ride around the island. I said, no, I'm not riding around the island. I want to put my tent up, get all my gear out, get comfortable, get beer, and just sit in my chair and take it easy. I've been riding all day. I want to rest. I can go around the island tomorrow before we leave. You can go around the island. But I'm going to sit down and rest. Where are we going? Oh, where's Paul going? I don't know. Oh. Got your indicator on. Got your indicator on.
I know you went down that rubbish.
I know.
Yeah.
Wonder where you were going. Isn't that the ferry terminal there? We've just driven past it, haven't we? I don't know. I don't know what Paul's doing. He's confusing me. Haven't you just driven past the ferry terminal?
I need to go there, yeah. I need to see what the place is.
Oh, is that it?
This guy should be parked here, right?
Eh?
This should be parked here.
That must be it. I don't know. Paul's confused me. What? Eh?
I'm down by where the ferry is.
I am as well. I've got my ticket.
You're not on the ferry now, are you?
No, I've bought my ticket.
You're just behind me.
Yeah, I'm parked behind you.
Oh, gosh. Right.
Alright.
I'll go get my ticket.
Yeah. Oh, there you are.
It's not clear, is it, at all?
Sounded like you were miles away. Totally confused. It's Paul's fault. Where's my blinking thing gone? Oh, it's hot. Hot.
Thank you. Have you got your ticket?
Yeah, he's just going to get his.
Right. Thank you.
Got your ticket. Oh. Can I smoke here?
Yeah. If you want, but the ferry's literally just coming in now, so
All right.
you might not have time to finish it.
That's all right. I'll wait. I'd get your helmet on. The ferry's coming in. It's there. Don't want to miss it. Stick your bloody helmet on. Hurry up. I'll leave you here. Yeah.
You're panicking for that, no? Fancy all these electrical gadgets.
I never panic. No, I never panic.
How long are you up here for?
I don't know, 4 days.
This weekend there's a big Harley rally up in Thurman the Grange up in Abbeymoor.
Yeah.
They're all putting up.
Yeah.
We'll just get you two on after the car so you're not on the ramp.
Yeah. Fair enough.
And storming the castle in the bowling weekend. Did it at Whitton Castle, look at that, didn't bike rallies,
We'll see what happens. We've got to go to Tarbert at first. I don't know what we're doing after that.
As long as you're near rush to get agent with the
Well, it all depends on Paul.
Well, the Rex is kind of like this, nowhere to park up.
Nah.
We're trying to find the science to come down here. See if you get off the boat, if you go right, that takes you right around the island. You'll find a bit to camp if you want, but it says no overnight camp. They don't bother with you. If you go the other way into the town, and if you look at the right hand side, there's a campsite there, but you know what it's like. You can't get it for nothing. There's public toilets down the front quay, you get in. They pull the pension as you say, that's the trouble. You just tell me what you used to do for the jobs, you'll be doing alright. I've worked with Scottish Water for, well, used to be Strathclyde Regional Council, 36 years there in June. I've been there for the 16 and a half. I used to retire at 50 now, 55 and you lose 22.
Oh, they want their money's worth.
I was 13 staying when I started. Got up on a year I put on.
All I want is to set the tent up and drink beer.
Aye, you'll be fine. Hey, have a good weekend.
Here we go, onto the boat. Huh?
I would just sit on it. I would have a quick little tour.
I'm just going to stay with the bike. Going already. That was quick.